tell me about this box and all.
Alright, so me and a friend and my son.
Watch your legs real quick, boss.
Me and my son had the second creation of his idea of what he wanted in the back of this car.
Okay.
So he created that, and so I had to make it. And she's like space, so
okay.
I just like to have fun with her.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Oh, wow.
Let me explain this to you real quick.
All right.
Alright, the 18 is dual 2 ohm.
Okay.
1 amp, 1 amp. Then I got 15 and 15.
Okay.
Up to 4 ohms wired up to 1 amp,
okay.
1 amp. So it brings it back down to 2 ohms.
That one ain't working.
Okay, so this one's down.
That one's down. These two are working.
Okay.
And this is one side of the 18 at 2 ohm.
Okay.
And this one is at one side of the 18 at 2 ohm, and then each,
got it.
Each
okay.
15 is wired up to 4 ohms, so it brings it back down to 2 ohm when you look it up.
Got it. Yep. Yep. Okay.
So it kind of keeps
yeah.
it at a stable 2
Is everything still phased right? Try it to be, yeah.
You'll hear it.
All right.
Different sound than the last one.
All right. Is there an upgraded alternator?
350 here. Hot fluid.
Is this the Frankenstein?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, you did a lot of paint job work on this hood.
Yeah, we just freshened it up this year.
Nice.
You know, somebody ain't got much money, it works.
Oh yeah, it works. Get the job done.
That's all that matters, to have fun.
Make it your own art car. All right.
Yeah, something that's more popular in Texas and California.
Okay.
If you look up Houston,
And you've got speakers. Do those actually work some?
Yeah.
Wow.
Back speakers work, everything works.
Okay.
Look up Houston, Texas, art car. Art parade.
Yeah.
It can give you more about what car.
Okay. So tell me about this.
We get the other side.
So you actually have a port right here,
Port up there and a
port right here,
Yep.
and then where's the up there one, the other one?
That's it.
Those two. Okay.
Those 2 ports, what it does is it feeds back, all this connected to the back half of the 18. So
Got it.
it all breeds together in one.
So all common chamber to all 3.
All common, and then you got 2 ports to relieve the 15 from the 18. From air
But there's still the 18s in the same box.
Yeah, everything's in the same box.
Okay. Nice. So this is, what subs are these?
This is the what?
CVX? Or the DDX?
EVL.
EVL. EVL 1250 RMS. Okay.
Yeah.
And the Toros.
And Toros, those are the 800 Toro Audio.
Yep.
And they're the 800 RMS.
Okay. And are these little mini subs or mid bass?
They're just highs. I broke the voice coil a couple of years back, so I just use them as highs.
Okay.
Since that, you know,
Yeah.
you run highs, it ain't doing you.
Yes, sir. Awesome.
Alright, so what songs can you play without being...
Just do whatever you want, man.
you know,
give me something that you know.
I don't want to get you know.
Do a bass track thing you played last time I heard it. You had a bandwidth where it was playing the lower frequencies and then it rose to the higher.
Well,
it was
I'm going to do two setups with you.
Okay.
So, it's low, but it might work. Just want to give it the most of what it's going to do. It plays, I can go 17 with window up, but I ain't pushing them too hard today.
Yeah.
With him playing next to me, that's an interference, and I might
Yes, sir.
play myself.
What was your name?
Chris Robertson, but I call myself Frankenstein. It's Psychoviral.
All right. 27? Okay. That's it right there. Good bandwidth on the low end. It actually plays pretty low.
It plays, I can go 17 with window up, but I ain't pushing them too hard today.
Yeah.
With him playing next to me, that's an interference.
Yeah.
I might
Yes, sir.
myself.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man. Nice to meet you again. What was your name?
Chris Robertson, but I call myself Frankenstein. It's Psycho.
All right. Y'all have a good day. Thank you for showing me.